buzz, buzz in the sunny hour, making sweet honey from flower to flower.
Tiny worker never slow, helping gardens bloom and grow.
Clouds roll in, the sky turns gray, rain is coming.
Drip, drop, dance on the ground. Rainy day fun all around.
Sailing small but dreaming wide, on the rainy puddle ride. Up the tree so quick and free, snack time waiting just for me.
Day says bye with golden light, stars prepare, little lights blink so bright, dancing softly in the night. Waddle, wiggle left and right, snowy steps in polar light.
Slip and slide across the ice. Funny moves are extra nice.
Small but strong I march along, carrying loads all day long. No mountain big, no task too tall, brave and busy through it all. Something special waits inside, hidden wings weak. From tiny shell I rise and fly, painting colors in the sky. Trunk held high with happy cheer, river fun is finally here. Splash and spray in joyful style, water games low and steady step by step. Sparkly trails are what I kept.
Generate by AI.